How to review voice search history on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to review voice search history on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite. Here you will find these three lines in the top corner. Click on it and then go down, click settings, and now just click this one here, activity log, and look at actions, and scroll down until you find voice search, and as you see here you can review it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.